Hello everyone. Let's continue chapter 17, Stars and the Solar System. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is satellites. So what are satellites? A satellite is an object that moves around a larger object, or we can define a satellite is a celestial body which revolves around another big celestial body. So basically there are two kinds of satellites: natural satellites and artificial satellites. So firstly we are going to study about natural satellite. A natural satellite is an object that orbits a planet or other body larger than itself. That is, moon revolves around the earth, or we can say the moon is a natural satellite of the earth. So, generally the term moon is used to denote the satellites of planets. So here you can see the moons or the satellites of the planet Saturn. And Saturn has the largest number of moons in the solar system. There are about 82 moons or satellites of Saturn. In the next picture you can see the satellites or the moons of Jupiter. There are about 79 moons of Jupiter, and scientists have found the presence of water on Europa, a moon of Jupiter. Now here you can see different moons of planets. So every planet has a moon or the satellite, and the number of each satellite are different. Next we come to the topic artificial satellites. So what are artificial satellites? An artificial satellite is an object which has been intentionally placed in the orbit of a planet for some specific purpose. So, the man-made satellites are called artificial satellites. They are placed in orbit around the Earth or other celestial bodies. The satellite is lifted from the Earth's surface by a rocket, and once placed in orbit, it maintains its motion without further rocket propulsion. The first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, was launched on October 4, 1957 by the USSR. In the next picture, you can see another satellite which was launched by India for the first time on April 19, 1975. So it was launched for conducting experiments in space and to gain experience in design, fabrication and operation of the entire system. So basically there are various types of artificial satellites. So first we are going to study about navigation satellites. These work to locate the position of an object or person on Earth. The Global Positioning System, that is the GPS, is made up of 24 satellites orbiting at about 20,000 km height. Next is communication satellites. These satellites help to transmit the signal for televisions, mobile phones, and the internet. Next type of satellite is remote sensing satellite. It is a technique of collecting information about objects from a distance without making a physical contact with the objects. Remote sensing satellites take pictures of the area on the earth and relay them to the earth. These are then analyzed by experts for important applications such as groundwater survey, forest cover survey, wasteland survey, crop yield survey, crop disease survey, survey of minerals, coal and petroleum, survey of fishing zones, and even spying work for military interests. Next type of satellite is space satellites. They take images and collect information about the space. For example, the satellite called Hubble's telescope take images of stars, galaxies, and other celestial objects and phenomena and transmit them to Earth. So, in India, the space research is done at the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. India has launched a number of artificial satellites. The first Indian satellite, as I told you, was Aryabhata in 1975. Bhaskara, Rohini, EduSat, the INSAT series, and IRS are some Indian artificial satellites.